Hi guys, I am re-uploading the yoga flow which is good for your periods, cramps, pain, relief. अगर stress में हो, PMS है, mood swings है या generally you're feeling low, this yoga flow will help all, okay? And मैंने इसको पहले upload किया था कुछ दिन पहले, but I had to take it down within 24 hours because मुझे इस पे music पे copyright strike आ गया था. अब मैंने उसको sort out कर लिया है. If you guys have seen it before, then yes, आई एम री-अपलोडिंग इट. एंड जिन्होंने नहीं देखा तो चिल, आप तो ये मेरे साथ करो. कम टू द मैट, लेट्स डू द फ्लो. इफ यू आर ऑन पीरियड्स, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू टेक अ कुशन विथ यू सो दैट यू फील गुड अबाउट इट. Hi guys, I'm Anvesha and today we are taking a gentle yoga flow that anybody from beginner to intermediate, anybody can do. And come on your mat. If you have a cushion like this, please get it.
Namaste everyone. So come on your mat. We're going to do a gentle practice. If you're on your periods, it's great to control your flow, deal with your cramps and bleeding. Even if you're not on your period and you're under some kind of stress or some kind of anxiety, this particular yoga will really help you and de-stress you. So sit in a comfortable position and breathe. We're going to inhale long and exhale deep. We're going to repeat it a couple of times. Inhale slowly and gently and exhale long. Once you're comfortable here, we are going to do a very first asana, and for that we are going to first relax our shoulders, rotate it clockwise and anti-clockwise with inhale and exhale. Inhale back, exhale forward. ब्रीदिंग के साथ हमें ये करना है आसनास, बहुत जेंटली, बहुत आराम से करनी है. The entire idea is to de-stress yourself, relieve you of the pain and cramps. So we're going to do this particular thing for at least 5 to 6 counts with proper inhalation and exhalation. We are going to join our feet like this and lie down calmly, and then press our thighs outwards and be here and breathe. This is really going to help you with relaxing your lower back and also help you if you're having a heavy cramp and flow. Be here, breathe comfortably, inhale and exhale. We are going to join our feet together, and first we are going to spread our arms on the floor. Then we are going to take our feet on the opposite side and then look on the opposite side. One side will be our feet and the opposite side will stare. And when you're doing this, make sure that your shoulder is touching the floor. Okay, your shoulders should be on the floor, and just breathe at least 5 counts each side, and we're going to repeat it twice. We are going to now again do the same pose and relax our thighs. Please don't force yourself. This is a gentle practice, so please be gentle. Just breathe and be relaxed. That is the key. Okay, no matter what level of flexibility or mobility your body has, we are going to not force or pressurize ourselves. Now we're going to come up and move ahead with the next asanas. Place your pillow right in between your groin area, your pelvic area, and then we are going to move forward, gradually making sure that our back is straight, taking the support of the pillow and look straight. If possible, go as deep as you can. If you can't, just stay where you are and breathe at least for 10 counts. Once we come up gradually, we are going to spread our legs and do the same thing with the help of the pillow and go forward. Make sure when you're doing this you are taking the support of pillow if you have heavy flow. If you don't have heavy flow, you can do it without the support of the pillow. And when going forward, make sure that your back is straight. Keeping your back straight is the key. It really helps you with relaxing your cramps and abdomen muscles. And just look straight and breathe again for 8 to 10 counts and come back. Now place the pillow on your back, and then we are going to fold our right leg. Make sure that this leg is just on the mat. You are sitting on your butt, okay? And then we go back and breathe. You're taking the back support with the pillow. If you're comfortable, you can lie down completely, but if you're not, you can stay up, okay? When doing this, make sure that your thighs are on the ground. If you are not comfortable lying completely, be here. Be gentle with the practice. It depends on a person's flexibility. Be here for 5 to 8 counts of breath and then come up and then switch sides. This asana can be slightly harsh on your knees, so make sure that you're relaxing your legs and tapping them on the ground or doing the movement that I'm doing, okay? Just relax your feet once this asana is over. Now sit in Sukhasana position, any comfortable position, seated position. And in this particular movement, we are going to first take our right leg up, lift it up just like we hold a baby with our palms. And we are going to just hold it for 5 breaths and then just swing it like we do a baby. And the same thing we are going to repeat with the other leg. And we are taking the left leg up, holding it for 5 breaths or 5 counts, and then we are going to swing it for at least 10 times. Now we are going to do gentle side stretch where you relax your side muscles a little bit on your obliques. Don't have to stretch too much, just be comfortable here and breathe for 5 to 8 counts on right and left side. For the next asana, we are going to lie down again on the mat comfortably. Bring your feet closer to your butts, and once you're comfortable here, lift your hips up. Lift it up with the support of your arms. Lift as much as possible. This will also really help you with your flow and cramps. And take the support of your palms, please, because that is important. And here, just be here for 5 to 8 counts and come down. Not more than 5 to 8 counts, okay? And relax for a bit here. Now we are going to hold our feet from outside like I'm showing in the video and try to put the feet apart, like try to pull our legs towards the ground and gradually trying to rock ourselves like a baby. This is called the happy baby pose. This is great for your lower back. We're trying to rock ourselves, relax our lower back when doing this, and then again hug your knees and be here for a couple of breaths, or you can just rock yourself. Keep inhaling and exhaling when doing all these asanas. And once you're comfortable here, just lift up in Pavan Muktasana for a couple of breaths, and then we're going to relax. Now come up, and for the last asana, we are going to come in Malasana. And for this one, or deep squat, people with knee pain can stop it not do this asanas. If you have severe knee pain, don't do this. You can skip this asana. But people without any knee pain, just be here comfortable. Sit here in this position. Keep your back straight. That is the key. And just breathe. Breathe as long as you can. Be here for a couple of breaths. And that is the end of this session of yoga during your periods. Take care. You can watch my other workout content here or diet and vlog content. And take care, guys. I love you all so much. Bye.